Okay, last problem. Problem number 3. So, when a 12 volts car battery powers a single 30 watts headlight, how much electrons pass through it each second? So, meron tayo ditong given. Tignan natin. 12 volts car battery. Then, highlight natin yung powers. Then, powers. Diba? Meron tayong power na pinag-usapan. Then, meron tayong, pag sinabing power, unit niya is watt. Tayong 30 watts. Headlight. So, ano yung headlight? Ito yung ilaw ng mga motor or ng car. So, ang hinihingi dito is how much electrons. Ilang electrons daw yung dadaan per second. No, so yun yung problem natin. So, ano yung unang gagawin? Sabi natin, ilalagay natin yung given. So, meron tayong voltage na 12 volts. So, meron tayong power na 30 watts. So, ano yung hinihingi? How much electrons? So, saan natin mahahanap si electron? Diba si electron ay may tinatawag na charge. Siya yung hahanapin natin is yung charge. Ilan yung charge ng electrons? Ilagay natin. Charge of electrons is equal to negative 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulombs per electron. So, let's write the formula. So, di ba meron tayong formula na voltage is equal to electric potential energy over charge. So, saan natin mahanap si electric potential energy? Sabi natin, si electric potential energy is related sa power. So, saan galing? So, meron tayong formula dito. Energy is equal to power multiplied by time. So, given na yung formula na yan. So, tignan natin para makuha natin yung hinahanap nating potential energy. Substitute lang natin yung value natin. So, meron tayong power na 30 watts. Ano nga yung unit ng power? Watts. Or, sabi natin si watts is joule per second. Then, ilang second daw sabi dito? Sabi dito is h seconds. So, 1 second only. So, cancel the second. So, ang matitira na lang, energy is equal to 30 joules. So, yun yung gagamitin natin dito sa electric potential energy. So, substitute na natin. So, meron tayong electric potential energy na 30 joules over, meron tayong hinahanap na charge. Ibaba ko muna. So, dito natin i-substitute. Meron tayong 12 volts. Meron tayong 30 joule. Meron tayong hinahanap na charge ng electron. So, pero remember that battery loses energy. So kaya ang magiging unit or ang magiging sign ng 30 joule na energy natin is negative. Bakit negative? Kasi nawawalan ng energy yung battery habang pinapower niya or pinapailaw niya yung headlight. So, next step, cross multiplication. So, meron tayong 12 volts multiplied by Q is equal to negative 30 joule. Divide both side by 12 volts to get the value of Q. So, Q is equal to negative 2.5 joule per volts, or Q is equal to negative 2.5 coulombs. So, saan nga galing yung coulomb? So, tignan natin, galing dito. So, papalitan lang natin si joule ng VC over over B. So, cancel volts. So, matitira na lang is coulomb. So, nasolve na ba natin? Hindi pa, kasi ang hinahanap natin is number, how much electron. Again, ang hinahanap natin is how much electrons. Ilang electrons ang dumadaloy sa headlight habang umiilaw ito na 1 second. Okay, tignan natin. Meron tayong formula ng number of electrons. Na N sub E is equal to the charge na nakuha natin over charge ng electron. Okay, so meron na tayong charge ng electron which is negative 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 9 coulomb per electron. So, i-substitute na natin ano yung nakuha nating charge, negative 2.5 coulomb, and then charge ng electron, negative 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb per electron. So, divide. So, ano yung magiging result natin? Negative 2.5 divided by negative 1.6 times 10 raised to negative 19 is 1.563 times 10 raised to positive 19 electrons. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Ilang electrons ang dumadaan per second habang pinapailaw yung headlight? Ito, masyadong madami. 1.563 times 10 raised to positive 19 electrons.